Welcome back. A lot has been happening in the markets. A power outage story for days now. We've been getting your voices from those who stand to benefit from it and those who stand to get impacted by higher raw material prices as well. We have the management of Insecticides India today. Joining us is of the company. Good afternoon, Mr. Aggarwal. Thank you for joining in. First up, if you could explain, what proportion of your imports come in from China and how have the prices moved out there? Have you been able to pass it on, or will you take a hit on your margins, if at all?
Tricky situation actually, because it has come at a time when for India, if we look at, we are into agrochemicals, and for agriculture, this was the closing of the Kharif season. And in the Kharif season, we didn't see the rainfall happening in the months of July and August, and major part of the rainfall has happened in the month of September, which has slowed down the agriculture season. So at one side, we were seeing heavy inventories in the market, because we are able to cut down our inventories, if I see quarter on quarter, by about 25% actually. So I mean to say that there are stocks available in the market, but at the same time, the availability has become a crisis, because in China, the factories are ordered to work only for 2 to 3 days in a week.
Okay.
So it is becoming very, very difficult actually, and now they are trying to back up. And today, yes, most of the time actually in completing this activity, for that it's a challenge actually. We are having stocks in hand, so I see benefiting in the coming quarters. But yes, there is a worry for the new year actually. What is going to happen? How soon they are going to, because immediately after this, they are going to have the Winter Olympics actually in the month of February. And China reduces a lot.
Okay. Mr. Aggarwal, just a couple of numbers. What is Insecticides India's exposure to China in terms of raw materials? And Mangam, did I ask you whether this would mean situation, this is not looking so good. What would it mean for you in terms of margins? Will you take a hit? And if not, what kind of price hikes are you looking at?
Actually, immediately the market has undergone a revision. If I look at my total imports, I think 70% of the imports come from China, and it is only 25-30% which comes from other countries. So the dependence on Chinese import is high. But since there is an immediate revision in at least B2B segment, because when it comes to business, so the exports, the price has gone up. The institutional business, the prices have immediately gone up. And in the B2C segment, where we sell brands, it has started going up slowly. I can say that it will take about 1.5 months time for the prices to improve in the brand segment, because now it is the end of Kharif season and the Rabi season is only going to start after Diwali, the new prices, and the prices will go on in future. So regarding the hit in the profits, I don't see the hit, rather in the short term it will be a benefit. But as the price, this is a cycle. Today the prices are going up, and tomorrow the prices are, challenge is going to come when these prices start falling actually. At this moment it is going to be positive in the short term.
All right, so that's about the current situation, but let's talk of almost 300 crore worth sales coming in from focused products, 150 to 200 crores coming in from new launches. Is that intact? What's your revised revenue and margin guidance for this year?
But I see the growth coming in Q3 and Q4 because my both institutional business as well as the export business, they are very, very positive. The brand business is also positive because there has been ample of rainfall which has impacted the Kharif season, but actually. So we are very, very positive. So we will not revise any guidance. I think whatever we have planned, we should be able to reach near that.
Okay, all right, Mr. Aggarwal, thank you so much for joining us and telling us what the situation in China means for your company and for the industry as a whole. With that, we'll slip into a short break now. We'll get you more on the September live.